Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply crop in RawTherapee. So we will do the short version so that don't look here in this right menu with a bunch of settings. You see here at the top this icon here, this one, crop selection. So if you click on it, you will be redirected then directly here into this processing profile. So what we can do now is just select it, and I will do something like that, for example. And yeah, I can do it this way. Press enter, just like, let's say, something like that. I want something like that, I think. Yeah. Now let's say that we set everything here, left, top, height, width, and now if you want to press enter to confirm that, you will see that enter doesn't work. Now in RawTherapee, so once you draw the box, the crop is active. The area outside the box will appear darkened or dimmed in the editor, as you can see. But when you export, save the photo, only the area inside the box will be in the final file. So let's go and save it really quickly to show you that it's true. So okay, just like that. Now I just need to open up here where I have saved, and as you can see now, it is how I cropped the image. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.